Wait.
Hold on. Okay, now go ahead. Just put them right in your mouth. Just go ahead.
Take one. Take two. Here, there's a couple.
Pop Rocks, first time.
Come on, take it. Show it.
Yeah, just put them on your tongue. Go ahead, put it all in your mouth. Come on.
Look at Daddy.
Open your mouth. Come on, put them all in there.
I haven't had them in a while.
They pop in my head.
In your head?
Oh my god.
You don't buy them.
That's fun.
Give me some more. That's
Put them like
a lot.
between your teeth. Just put them.
Just let them sit on your tongue. And they explode. Put the whole thing in your mouth.
I want to do a little by little.
No, you gotta do a lot by a lot, otherwise it's not quite good. Okay. We'll do some so that I can stop this. Okay.